If the future is interesting, be sure to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share your thoughts. Thank. The era of social networks, likes, reposts and tons of meaningless information has come, pushing you to this or that conclusion or action. But who would have thought that modern technology can replace a real interlocutor on the network? The excitement around artificial intelligence is constantly increasing. At this stage of evolution, it is primitive, that's just it is already actively used to replace a person, performing the functions of a bot. Bots can be divided into several categories. The first and most obvious category of bots in social networks are sales bots who have a single goal, to send you a product or service. The identifying feature of such a bot is styling for the service of its owner. Another obvious category of social bots is bots whose purpose is to wrap up basic indicators on third-party sites, within groups on social networks and even on third-party voting services. A sign of such a bot is a huge number of groups, subscriptions, and reposts with the almost complete absence of personal publications. A slightly more complicated type of social bots is CPA multi-day bots. For example, these are the bots of beautiful girls or boys, which will be filled with lots of sexy photos and nude photos. The identifying feature can be an active link to a third-party service right in the profile or on the user's wall with the postscript "Rarely come here, look for me," link. The most difficult category of social bots is political. These bots are usually nurtured for months and sometimes even years. Bots are used in the interests of political forces, governments, and represent the opinion leaders of a certain social stratum, political electorate. Their identifying attribute is clearly not expressed, maximum correspondence to the real account. As a rule, such bots are connected to the systems of artificial intelligence of communication and can even respond to your messages in monosyllables. Sometimes owners of such bots use photos under an open license for the leaders of their bots, fearing complaints about the use of other people's photos. Everyday bots are becoming more and more, and their technology is more skillful. Reddit conducted an investigation into how two factions of bots fought for and against bringing the article to the main page. Everyday people are gradually becoming more and more observers, and at worst, hostages of other people's opinions at the head of social bots. Like the video, like and share comments, subscribe and be always one step ahead to the future. Thank you.